Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. Today I will be fixing a problem I have encountered with my HP Envy 13. I was trying to disable tap to click and I couldn't find the touchpad settings anywhere in the mouse settings. I went to HP's website, found the touchpad driver and I tried to install it, but the setup fails with an incorrect OS version and Device Manager also fails to install the software that is needed to change the driver. I was quickly losing hope, then something dawned on me. I went to the setup files and tried to manually install the driver. Certificate error. That's not a technical incompatibility, it's a security issue. I need to see this certificate. Expires on the 10th of August 2019. This driver has an expiry date. I think I can fix this. I'm going to turn off automatic time and change the clock to between the start and the end of the certificate. Hopefully it will then install. That was fast and it works with no issues. I will just set the clock back to real time now. I was quite surprised and a little concerned that driver software is now able to have an expiry date. Luckily, it was really simple to get past the expiry date issue and get the drivers installed. I hope this video might have helped you and I hope to see you all again next time. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!